this was probably one of the first few times where we had to go through such a massive change in our home. Vlad really walked us through everything from the very beginning and what just to expect through the process.
In the beginning, we did interview 4 contractors, and the reason why we went with America's Advantage Remodeling, first and foremost, was Vlad's extreme responsiveness. He was actually one of the first ones out of the 4 that came out, spent several hours with us, listening to our needs.
And as we were going through the remodeling, every single step, it was super clear how much the team took pride in their work. We just can't believe that we're standing right in the middle of what used to be a very, very dark kitchen.
America's Advantage Remodeling truly made our dreams come true. We never imagined that our home could look as beautiful or had the potential. This is a dream come true, and I can't believe I live here. Thank you to the entire America's Advantage Remodeling team. Appreciate you so much.
Absolutely.